record's on. My recorder's on. Take it. Take it. Yeah. It's a big coat. Hell of a shot. Hit him twice. He's still running. He ain't going far. I don't know where that pig's at. Pig's still out there. He's well, you can't really see him now. Well, yeah, it's just a dot.
You know what, then? If he ain't running on them shots, I mean, it might not hurt to put that damn gator down there, man. If you just stay on him and tell me what's going on.
So I don't, there, yeah.
You know what I mean? You still see him?
It's just a dot. I don't know if he lay down or what he done. Well, yeah, I recorded that. There he is still.
What, the pig?
Yeah, he's way out there. He's further than what he was before.
Alright, look, let's get on the gator. You keep your eyes on him, and we'll just ride up to him. Or you think it's better off go off our fucking ass and right down there? Is he kind of at the end of the road where the camera used to be? Out there in the field? I can't...
That's a big fucking pig, man.
Oh, I see him now. He's kind of going back the same way.
Yeah.
That he just come from. Man, you ought to have a ass to kick.
Let me start this video back on when we get this pig. Forgot the damn coyote call, didn't you?
I got another one in my pocket though, in my phone. If you ever try to call. You ever try to call Peppercorn?
I tell you what. Let's crank up. Throw it on the gate, throw it on your trailer. We'll go check out Huff Road. Yeah. back up a touch.